I'm Lana, and this is my GT Showcase project. It's called Concept of Anxiety, and today I will be describing the certain effects and causes and different types of it. First of all, what is anxiety? Anxiety, according to doctors and scientists, describes a group of disorders that cause worry, nervousness, just genuine bad feelings that can affect your everyday life in small effects and large effects. Anxiety can come in many different types. For example, social anxiety, separation anxiety disorder, specific phobias, and substance-induced anxiety. These types can come from different triggers, people, places, things, anything. And they can cause short-term effects and long-term effects. Short-term effects are more minor, that include shaking, crying, mental breakdowns, often stuff like that, which can lead to long-term effects. Long-term effects are a bit more serious and mainly have to do with your health. For example, it includes heart problems, further risk for heart disease, multiple sicknesses from a lowered immune system, just many disorders, memory issues, and they can be life-threatening to your body because based on a poll or studies in 2019, 17.9 million people died from heart disease, making it the most leading cause of death in America. And that's not good because you want to be there for your friends, family, and people you know. And how does it occur scientifically or medically? Anxiety is caused by an area of the brain called the amygdala, which causes emotional responses, which can trigger your fight or flight response, releasing cortisone or adrenaline into the body. Moving on over here. How can it affect certain areas of your body? It can affect your breathing and respiratory area of your body, meaning your lungs, your nose, your windpipe, all of that stuff. It can cause a person to hyperventilate. It can cause symptoms like dizziness, faintness, fatigue, stuff like that. Weakness, lightheadedness. It can also affect your cardiovascular system, meaning your heart, your arteries, all of the stuff like that. It can cause changes in your heart rate, your blood circulation, it can narrow your blood vessels, causing hot flashes, fevers, body temperature changes, and stuff like that. And a poll shows that in Australia, 1 in 7 students suffer from anxiety, which may decrease your academic results, which can lead to a bad future. It can be test anxiety, project anxiety, overstressed from a bunch of work. It can also affect your sleep. In 2019, researchers conducted a study on sleep changes and found that any of the changes in sleep were connected to mental health issues, which becomes a reoccurring cycle because then you start to worry about your sleep, causing more worry, causing more sleepless nights, resulting in a never-ending cycle. So, now, finally, something actually good. How can you prevent or treat anxiety? You can prevent by getting help early on, by talking to something or someone you trust. It could be a pet, a teacher, a relative, a friend, a sibling, anybody. It doesn't even have to be alive. You could talk to your stuffed animal. Anything. And you could also prevent anxiety by staying active. Not necessarily by doing sports or working out. You can paint, you can read, just doing something that distracts you. Additionally, you can prevent anxiety by not doing drugs, not smoking, basically not doing stuff that is bad for you. So in conclusion, to sum up, anxiety is harmful and dangerous for your mental health and has damaging long and short-term effects. So stay safe, mentally well, talk to a trusted friend, adult, stuff like that, and stay safe and happy.